Alright, y'all. Let's check back in to update you all for a quick short. You can do lower springs without removing the shock from there and some of the other things I showed you previously. You can see, have the spring out. You can go to your local O'Reilly's and get this, the McPherson strut spring compressor. And you can actually position it on here with these at the top facing your shock mount, and if you got an offset wrench, mine is not that much offset, or one of the true offset wrenches, you can get in there, tighten these down. They're 19 millimeters, and that will compress the shock enough, and then take loose the top strut bolt and stand on it and get it out. And even if you're all-wheel drive, you will stretch your boot, but you will not disconnect it. It will be stretched, but you will not disconnect. So, no worries there. Thank y'all for tuning in again. See y'all later. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.